Takpan yung pimples ko, ha? Gawin yung baby face ako.
Quiet on set, please. And rolling. Action. My brothers and sisters, Happy New Year to us all. The past year was painful because we lost our mother. But I want you to know that we did everything we could for her, and we loved her until the very end. I believe she is proud of us.
And continue to care for one another as a family. Tuloy lang mag-autol. Happy New Year mga kapatid ko! Mahal ko kayo at sama-sama nating haharapin ang bagong taon na may pag-asa at pagmamahal. As we enter this new year, let us choose love, understanding, and unity. Let us turn our pain into strength. Happy New Year! God bless us this coming 2026. Mga pamangkin ko, the Taaka Clan, Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. My children, 30, Zane, Zyman, Zyrel. Balong, andito lang kami, masaya kami, andito ka na. We'll always support you through everything. Happy New Year, Balong. May this year bring you strength, happiness, and love.